it in. And what did I get? Hi, my loves y amores. I am so excited to have you guys here with me. Now, as previously promised in our last LABUBU unboxing, we have some LABUBUs here. Woo! And of course, my little baby and the one that we unboxed last time. Now, as promised, we are going to be doing a very special giveaway, so make sure that you stay to the very end. Now, for those who don't know about the history of the LABUBUs, they actually go back all the way to 2015. They were invented by artist Kasun Lung. Now, he actually was born in Hong Kong, but when he was a child, he moved to the Netherlands, and that's how he was inspired by all the folklore and all of this imaginary elves and all these adorable stuff. Now, contrary to what people may think, the LABUBUs are actually girls. They're female. The only ones that are male is actually the leader, and he's the one who has the large tail. Now, I think that LABUBUs are so fun, and I know that so many people are complaining about them, but to me, I feel when I was a child, I loved the Beanie Babies and the little Furbies. So let people live. Let them enjoy their LABUBUs. Now, this is my little LABUBU, and isn't she so adorable? Look, we're matching. She has a little bow. I love her. Look at her little lipstick and her little lashes and the little pearls. I just love how you can customize them. Now, last time we unboxed the Have a Seat, and I got the pink one, which if you guys know, my favorite color is pink. So the fact that I got the pink one, which by opening it for the first time, Have a Seat one is actually sitting down and it has the keychain. And look at how adorable. She has her little sibling here. Look how cute that is. Now let's unbox one. And this is the way that the box looks. And see, you have all the ones that you can get. You can get the soy milk, the lychee berry, the green grape, the sea salt coconut, toffee, sesame bean, or the secret. And oh my goodness. Okay, so let's unbox it, love. Okay. That's the way it looks on the inside. And this is the box. Now, I love this wrapping. Oh, look how cute that is, my loves. The little LABUBUs. Isn't that so cute? Now, I really love the wrapping for the Have a Seat because I feel that it's much more colorful and it reminds me of just like the Easter colors. But this one's pretty neat too. Now, let's open it. And, okay. Ooh. Oh my God, what do we get? Oh, how cute! Oh, it's the little blue one. Okay, this one is, oh, it's the one that's on the box. Oh, how cute. This is the sea salt coconut. Oh my God, this one is so cute. My second favorite color is blue, baby blue. So this is just so cute. Oh my God, look at that, my loves. Look how cute she is. Oh, look at that. Oh, the little keychain. She is so adorable. And then of course, she's authentic, has the little pop mark right here, the little stamp. There's a little stamp right here. That's how we know it's authentic. This is so cute. Oh, you know what? I wish that these ones smelled. I wish that it had like a sea salt coconut smell. I think that would be so neat if it had that. That would be just such a cool addition. And I love the little nose. It is so cute. This one is so adorable. If your favorite color is blue, this is just absolutely adorable. Look at that, my loves. Oh. Okay, so we have here my little baby, and we have here the Have a Seat, and we have here the little coconut. How cute. Oh, and then in the box, we get, of course, we have this keep away from children. Hilarious. And we also get the little sticker. This is the way the little sticker looks. From the macaroon. The sea salt coconut. If you want to know which one you're getting, the color on the sticker will actually let you know, but I like to be surprised, so I won't look at the sticker. And that, my loves. Oh, look at cute. There's somebody at my door, so give me a quick second, you guys. This is from Tea Fresho. I always get the fruit one with no sugar and just popping boba. Ooh. This is really, really good. And now we have our other one, and let's unbox this one. Ooh. Okay, so let's open these up. Now, for these, I scouted them all over, and I went to multiple Pop Mart stores. Wow. Oh my God. Guys, what is this? I told you the princess is following me everywhere. Just did Sleeping Beauty. Score, you guys. Be able to find them. So the fact that I was able to grab these is just so special, and I'm so excited to be giving them away to you guys. So let's open it. And ooh. Okay. And this is the way it opens. Love that. And remember, we're not going to look at the little sticker. Take that out. And that, my loves. Woo! This ASMR. And now, okay. All right. And woo! Let's see what we got. Oh, cute! Okay, this one is the toffee. Oh, that is really cute. Oh, he's a cutie. She's a cutie. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, that is so cute. And then let's look at the sticker. So we have here inside our box. Here's our little sticker. The way the little sticker looks. Like that. Oh, look at that, my loves. She is so cute. She would look really good all in pink because of her color. And when I would give her some eyebrows, I love the gold. You guys know that I absolutely love gold. And oh, look at that, my love's so cute. Look at that. This is the front and the back. And same thing. I wish that this one smelled not like toffee. Like, imagine you just smelling. Oh, I can just imagine it. That would be so adorable. Look at that, my loves. Oh, look how cute. Okay, so here we have the little toffee, the sea salt caramel, soy milk, but I dressed her all up. And then we have the have a seat. Oh my God, look at our babies. Now, because you guys have been so supportive, and I know many of you guys are going back to school, back to the office, or even at home, I want you guys to have something special. So I'm going to be giving away all of these 3 babies because they need a new home. Not her, because she's special and she's my little LABUBU. Now, the rules are super simple. 1, you're going to make sure that you're subscribed. 2, you're going to like 3 of my videos since we have 3 little babies. Number 3, you're going to leave me a heart emoji down below with your favorite color and the one that you would like. And lastly, number 4, you're going to send me an email to the email provided below, and you're going to let me know which was your favorite video that you watched. And next week, I'm going to be announcing all 3 winners. Good luck, my loves, and I love you guys so much. See you guys next time. Mwah!